How to fix no drives detected during Windows installation in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the no drives detected during Windows installation in Windows 10 or 11, then just follow the steps. The first step is to verify the physical connections. So ensure that both the power and SATA cables are securely connected to the drive. Also confirm that the SATA cable is firmly attached to the motherboard. And after that, the second step is to install the correct storage controller drivers. The next thing you can do is you can open up your PowerShell as an administrator. You will get the Windows PowerShell right here. Right click on the Windows and you will get the Windows PowerShell. So you just need to simply open the Windows PowerShell as the admin or administrator. And after that, you need to simply change the temporary directory. You need to enter this command, the first command, and hit the enter. And again, enter the second command, again, hit the enter. So I'll just give you the commands in the description below. You can simply copy and paste these two commands. And after that, you need to restart your device and check if your problem fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next method, which is checking the status of your hard drive. So you just need to simply press Windows and R and a window will pop up, right? And under that window or under that run, you just need to simply enter this, which is devmgmt.msc, and then press enter and choose the disk drivers and right click the hard drive. Once you right click on it, you need to go with properties. Once you go with properties, check the status of your hard drive. If it is okay, showing this device is working properly, then your drivers will work properly. But any of these fixes doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply ask help from the manufacturer. Since the manner of installing or reinstalling Windows OS happens so frequently that most personal PCs or desktop manufacturers have built-in checking tools for quick troubleshooting and repair. So if you're their customers, feel no hesitate to ask help from the manufacturer and learn how to use tools to fix hard drive, not detected issues. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.